Can you put a regular mattress on a platform bed? If you're considering a platform bed, but aren't sure if your regular mattress will work on it, you're not alone. Many people wonder if they can use their existing mattress on a platform bed without compromising comfort or durability. The good news is, yes, you can use a regular mattress on a platform bed. Platform beds are designed to support any mattress without the need for a box spring. Here's what you need to know. Platform beds provide a stable and firm foundation that is ideal for regular mattresses, especially those made of memory foam, latex, or hybrid materials. These mattresses benefit from the rigid support that platform beds offer, ensuring they maintain their shape and provide the best comfort. One of the key benefits of using a platform bed is the excellent air circulation it provides. The slat system on most platform beds allows air to flow freely, keeping the mattress cool and preventing moisture buildup. This not only makes the mattress last longer, but also enhances your sleeping experience. When it comes to the slats on a platform bed, the spacing is important. Ideally, the slats should be no more than 2 to 2.75 inches apart to provide optimal support for your mattress. This close spacing ensures that the mattress doesn't sag through the gaps and maintains its integrity. Any of the main types of mattresses, memory foam, latex, innerspring, and hybrid, can be used on a platform bed. However, it's always a good idea to check the manufacturer's instructions to ensure you're using the mattress as intended and not voiding the warranty. In terms of mattress height, platform beds are relatively low profile, so a thicker mattress can be beneficial. A mattress thickness of at least 10 inches is recommended to establish a comfortable bed height and to resist wear and tear better. If you're worried about the bed being too low to the ground, you can use bed risers to elevate the frame and make it easier to get in and out of bed. In summary, using a regular mattress on a platform bed is perfectly fine and can even enhance your sleeping experience due to the improved support and air circulation. Just make sure to check the slat spacing and follow any manufacturer guidelines for optimal performance.